There's not much to do when all I can.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Nursafitri. I live in Tangerang. In this presentation, I will explain about how to introduce myself informally. Here is the material. How to introduce yourself informal. Greeting and introduction. When you come or move to a new place, of course getting to know is the main thing that needs to be done as an early stage of socialization that will facilitate our activities or needs in the future. Without introduction, two people will continue to feel foreign, even though they often meet face to face. This can cause discomfort in starting a relationship and can even hinder the growth of caring. This time, we will discuss about how to introduce yourself in informal situations or for everyday interactions. Example of non-formal conditions in introducing yourself are when you meet new neighbors, meet your classmates in class or friends sitting on public transportation, meet friends or family members of our colleges, and so on. The information that needs to be given is the name and status that is most related to the person we are talking to. First, memperkenalkan diri pada tetangga baru. Good morning, I'm Sanya Andrews. I live next door. Selamat pagi, saya Sania Andrews. Saya tinggal di sebelah Anda. Or, hello, I'm Martin. I just moved in here yesterday. Halo, saya Martin. Saya baru pindah ke sini kemarin. Or, hi, I'm Eric Evan. I'm new in this neighborhood. Hai, saya Eric Evan. Saya baru di lingkungan sini. Selanjutnya, Anda mungkin akan disambut dengan pertanyaan seputar daerah asal Anda seperti Where are you from? Dari mana Anda berasal? Or Where did you live before? Anda bisa menjawab dengan pilihan I'm from Bandung, Indonesia. Saya berasal dari Bandung, Indonesia. I lived in Brisbane before. Saya tadinya tinggal di Brisbane. Atau I used to stay at my uncle's home in London, but it's too far from where I'm working now. Saya dulu tinggal di rumah paman saya di London, tapi kejauhan dari tempat saya bekerja sekarang. 2. Berkenalan dengan teman or anggota keluarga rekan or sahabat. Hi, I'm Tania. I'm Bella's classmate. Hai, saya Tania. Saya teman sekelas Bella. Or, I'm Martin. I went to the same high school as Rio. Saya Martin. Dulu bersekolah di SMA yang sama seperti Rio. Or, I'm Eric. I work at Signators with Leon. Saya Eric. Saya bekerja di Signator bareng sama Leon. Topics to avoid when talking to new people. 1. How old are you? Asking someone's age as the main topic of conversation is rude. Therefore, let this information come naturally without you asking directly. However, it is not unusual to ask the age of the baby the person carrying. 2. Are you seeing someone? It's inappropriate to suddenly ask if someone has an appointment. Talk about other things and pretend not to realize that the person you're talking to has an appointment with someone until he or she delivers it herself. 3. Are you religious? Questions about someone's beliefs are very disrespectful. Avoid questions related to religion at the beginning of the introduction because it is a private matter. Jadi, di dalam pembicaraan terhadap orang yang baru, hal-hal yang harus dihindari adalah yang pertama menanyakan tentang umur. Karena untuk sebagian orang menanyakan umur adalah merupakan hal yang sensitif, sehingga itu merupakan privasi dan tidak pantas dan sopan untuk ditanyakan kepada orang baru. Kedua, are you seeing someone? Apakah Anda mempunyai janji kencan dengan seseorang? Pertanyaan itu sangatlah tidak sopan jika ditanyakan kepada seseorang yang baru kita temui. Jadi sangat disarankan untuk tidak menanyakan hal seperti itu kepada seseorang yang baru kita temui. Yang ketiga, are you religious? Pertanyaan tentang agama merupakan hal yang sensitif, karena itu merupakan privasi bagi sebagian orang dan itu tidak pantas dan tidak sopan untuk ditanyakan kepada seseorang yang baru kita temui.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
Okay, maybe that's all I can convey. Sorry if there are errors in the delivery of the materials. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
There's not much to do when all I can